Welcome to Coder Station.
So hey guys, welcome back to Coder Station again. Today in this video, we will dive into Bootstrap alerts, a super easy way to display messages like success notifications, warnings or error alerts in your web application. So let's get started. So before continuing our video, please like, share and subscribe our video as well as our YouTube channel, which is Coder Station. So now let's get started. So what are alerts? So before that, have you ever encountered such situations like this? Have you ever placed an order and you received such messages? Or have you received message like this, or like this? So yes, these are the alerts which Bootstrap provides on web applications. These are the Bootstrap alerts, which are pre-styled components that let you display important feedback to users. Whether it's a success message after a form submission or a warning about incomplete input, alerts are versatile and easy to use. So there are different types of alerts which Bootstrap help us with. The first one is success alert. We have info alert, which is used for informing some kind of message to the user. Then we have some warning alerts, which is defined in yellow color. So in Bootstrap, alerts come with different kinds of color. Each alert has its own type and as well as has its own color. So for example, the danger alert. So the word danger itself comes in red. Then we have the primary alert, secondary alert, light and dark. So these are the various alerts which Bootstrap provides us. So we are gonna learn these all alerts and how we can implement in our code in this video further. Now let's move on ahead with our Bootstrap syntax of alerts. So here's the basic syntax of an alert in Bootstrap. So here the alert class is the base class. Okay, the alert class is the base class and the alert primary is a contextual class for this blue alert. You can replace it with any other classes like alert success, alert warning or alert danger for different colors. So here below I have written some of these classes for alerts. The first one is alert primary, alert secondary, alert success and alert danger. So what you have to do is you have to just write the class, the main class, which is alert, followed by alert hyphen the alert which you want to implement. So this entire thing you have to write. You cannot write only alert primary, alert secondary. You have to also add the alert word before the alert which you want to implement. Okay, so now we are going to see the implementation of our Bootstrap alerts. Here is my HTML boilerplate. I have already implemented those CDN links which are required for Bootstrap, as I have taught you earlier in our previous videos. So please first embed those links in our head tag. Now let's start with the Bootstrap primary alert. So first of all, in the body tag, you have to just write, you have to just create a div with class name as alert. So this is my alert class name followed by the alert which I want. So here I want primary alert, and in that I will write this is a primary alert. So this is the output which we have got for our primary alert. So this is the primary alert which we got after executing that code. Now let's try with some different code. I will just copy paste our code because I don't want to waste more time in it. So now we will try the secondary alert. So now this is the secondary alert. Let's see how it works. See, now this is the secondary alert and it has background color as gray, whereas in primary alert we had the background color as blue, light blue. Now let's try for success and danger as well. So for success, let's try I think it will be in green. Yes, it is in green. So if you want to show something to the user, like if he has succeeded in the exam, if he has successfully created an account or anything else, then you can use this success alert. So this will always show any text written in it in green color. So it indicates that the following scenario is been successful. Okay, now let's try for danger. So you can try this danger alert. For example, you can use in the scenario, for example, like if the user is clicking on some foreign links which will be potentially harmful for the device, or some links which are not secured, which can be hacked if the user visits. So at that time you can use a danger alert. So this is how alerts work. So I will just show you this many alerts for now. It is your task to complete all the other alerts and explore more. And please comment in our comment section if you have completed, if you have any kind of doubt, if you want to ask anything. So you can please use the comment section. We would be very glad to see your comments in that box. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.